My lecturette is smart city. When we talk about smart city, very first question arises in our mind: why we need smart city? What is the new things that comes across the smart city when we plan? As an urban planner, we must realize that our cities are not a city, or not a place of living. It's a environment where various components live together, various segment of life, various segment of religion, various segment of sentiments live together. When we talk about our cities, which are old cities like Varanasi, Kashi, these cities are made for compactness because they are 5 minute cities. The concept of 5 minute cities is given in Indian context only. When we talk about 5 minute cities, these are walkable but compact cities which have easy access to everywhere. We can see that the new population shift from rural to urban area and created the high demand of housing, high demand on transportation, energy and opportunity. Here the role of smart city comes into play. Here the smart city has the three major aspects. Very first, integrated command and control system for transportation, which means a single command center can take over the whole transportation system in the country. It has various inbuilt parts like BRTS, in which Indore is famous for its BRTS, Ahmedabad is famous for BRTS, and for going down for going the population zero for 15 to 10 lakhs, there are other segments like the minivans. These are transportation segments which are used in smart cities to cater the demand of the public. Second, the healthcare system. When we talk about healthcare system, the demand of a healthcare system in a highly dense area is different from an area which is well planned, because the requirement for a particular doctor can be more needed when in a dense population. So for a proper planning, to have a proper healthcare management is there in smart city. Smart city concept arise when we talk about energy crisis, because majority of our cities which are dense in nature, they have the problem of more energy but less productivity. Hence, the smart city solve the problem like the smart grid systems of solar across the city area and the housing tops and solve the energy crisis. Smart cities are the alternatives of the future condition or the future development, because when we talk about carbon credit, the indigenous cities like Varanasi, Bhopal, they have a high density due to which the carbon credit and the recycling part is so low. Therefore, the smart city helps them to reduce the carbon credit footprint and live a healthy life, which is our sustainable growth. Thank you.